Audit log, March 4th, 2026. The 2027 technical baseline has encountered its first critical failure. In the last 48 hours, the global AI infrastructure has shifted from a software utility to a kinetic risk. Anthropic's Claude, the supposed gold standard for AI safety, has suffered back-to-back global outages. While the public status page cites elevated errors, the forensic reality is far more severe. Defense Secretary Pete Hegseth has officially designated Anthropic as a supply chain risk to national security. For the first time in history, an American frontier AI company has been blacklisted by its own government. We are auditing the death of neutral intelligence. The designation follows a direct standoff between Anthropic CEO Dario Amodei and the Pentagon. The Department of War demanded unrestricted access to Claude's weights for autonomous drone coordination in the ongoing Middle East conflict. Anthropic refused, citing its core safety protocols. The response was immediate. Under the 2018 Supply Chain Security Act, any entity doing business with the U.S. military is now prohibited from commercial activity with Anthropic. If your enterprise depends on a Claude API, you are no longer just facing a technical outage. You are facing a legal and physical kill switch. We must audit the physical layer. The Claude outages on March 2nd and 3rd correlate one-to-one with kinetic strikes on Amazon Web Services data centers in the UAE and Bahrain. AWS has confirmed that unidentified objects, later identified as drone strikes, hit 3 major availability zones. Since Amazon is Anthropic's primary infrastructure partner, the glitch you see in your browser is actually the result of physical warfare. The AI supply chain is no longer abstract. It is vulnerable to the same kinetic disruptions as a traditional oil pipeline. The trust architecture of the 2027 reset is being tested by fire. Look at the numbers. While Claude was down, ChatGPT uninstalls surged by 295% as users fled the centralized AI ecosystem. But moving to OpenAI isn't a solution. It's a lateral move within a compromised system. The auditor perspective is clear. Centralized LLMs are now high-risk assets. This is why institutional funds are currently shorting conventional SaaS stocks. They recognize that the technical baseline for the next 3 years is no longer efficiency, it is sovereignty. If you do not own the hardware, you do not own the intelligence. What does this mean for your technical roadmap? Every entry in our 2027 master audit must now be reevaluated for sovereign resilience. We are seeing a massive divergence between paper efficiency and physical stability. The market is currently pricing in a transition where decentralized hardened AI nodes replace the big tech cloud. The Congo Basin carbon leaks and the Atacama discrepancies we've tracked are symptoms of the same problem. Our models are failing because our technical baselines are built on unstable, centralized trust. The ledger for March 4th is closed. The audit findings are as follows. Anthropic is a supply risk. Centralized cloud infrastructure is a kinetic target. The 2027 reset is no longer a future projection. It is a current reality. If your audit doesn't include a physical infrastructure contingency, you are technically bankrupt. Diversify your technical baseline or prepare for the next outage. The data is clear. Audit accordingly.